Another section that you can utilize is the About section. So to add that in, I'm going to add a new section right over here, and then I'm going to click on About. So About section is a very simple section right over here where you have a picture and a bit of a description right over here. So once you click on it, you got About, as you can see. So you want to give a bit of a description, then you can add in right over here. So over here, this box right over here, you can change out the color as well. So you can go for something like this and so forth as well. You can go around with the paragraph and work around with its color over here as well, just like that. As you can see, you can go around with the title and choose the title just like that, and work around with the subtitle as well. So this is how you work around with it. You can change the image, you can work around with the text right over here on the left side. So you can work with the title, subtitle, paragraph, and media right over here in the About section. So you can go and replace the media right over here according to the media that you want. Choose that and apply that out. So there's different About designs right over here. So you can go over here on to designs, and then over here there's like a recommended About section right here where the background is used just like this. This is a fun one where the image right over here is actually circular right over here, and there's the About section just like that as well. So this is how you can work around with the About section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.